So I just got done wrapping up a video that I've been in the production this whole entire week, doing filming, editing. I have been just constantly going on this, and I'm gonna launch it. I'm planning to release that video this Wednesday. What is it? Another backflip video. But unlike any other backflip video I've made, this is complete. This is going to be the ultimate beginner backflip tutorial coming out this Wednesday. It's gonna be in depth, covering from the basic fundamentals of coordination all the way up into the backflip. So for beginners, ultimate beginners, this is the tutorial, okay? Unlike anything I've ever made before regarding the backflip. But I just wanna throw the word out there. I just wanna get the word out there, okay? So before I blab on, cool down any longer, I'm gonna hit a quick little trampoline session, side of the art session. But you gotta focus. Man, okay, so like a broken off piece of bird poop went straight into my eye, and it was like literally on the front of my contact. So I went right inside, looked in the mirror. It's like literally right there. Dude, it's not the way you want to start your session. Don't worry, I changed my contact and cleaned my eye out, but gosh darn it, that is just, This ankle that's bad, not this one. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Cork, baby, cork after that. That would be nuts. Oh! Oh! I don't know what it is, but there's just something about, even though the science says you don't need to, but there's just something about having that protein shake at the end of a workout that just like seals the deal, you know what I mean? Something's at the door. Oh, look at you all wrapped up. Finally that came, holy moly. All right, so do you guys remember the giant battery that I reviewed, that power bank basically? That thing was a beast. If you didn't watch that video and you're into like survival gear or like camping gear, or just maybe you're a closet prepper, you know what I mean? Or just someone who wants to have something when the power goes out, babe. You know what? If you're into that, check that video out. However, that company, I guess they liked the review video. Look at, they even have a name on it, and he has a smiley face. Look at this. Look at it, they even put my name on there, and I think that probably was a smiley face. So they contacted me and they're like, hey, can we send you another product, like something totally different? I was like, yeah. So what this is right here is, this is actually a new prototype from them. It's not being mass produced yet. There's still like a Kickstarter out for it. You know, they just raise money via these Kickstarters. They put all the R&D in there. I believe, based on our conversations in our email, they have like people from the DJI battery, you know, battery pack team, the people who make those the freaking, you know what I mean, like you know, the drones, the drone batteries, these high-tech batteries. They have people from that team helping develop these power bank systems, so you know it's top of the line. So I think I'm gonna be making a review video on this based on our emails that I emailed back to EcoFlow and then back to me. It sounds like they want me to make a review video on the prototype, so that's pretty exciting. Not 100% certain on that, but that's what it sounds like, because it's only a prototype. They're still gonna just fix out the kinks apparently, and then just get it like mass produced in 3 or 4 months. But I guess it's pretty much probably like 99% there. I'm excited to find out. All right, my shake is melting. Happy Memorial Day, by the way. I know it's not Memorial Day when I'm filming this video, but I think I'm going to post this on Monday. Shout out to all you vets out there and anyone currently enlisted. Thank you. Going to the store. Boom! Look at that, I got a woohoo deal. A woohoo deal. 2/3 off. And don't waste any pepper. Food is scarce. Okay. Alright, so back from the store. Cooking up dinner right now, for those of you guys who are interested. So I just got some mushrooms, some red bell pepper cut up, and then a bunch of kale cut up. That's gonna be my vegetable melody. Then I've got some rice on the stove right now, a whole cup of this basmati rice, this luxurious basmati rice. My goodness, like, you savages out there, it's totally gone. Like, this is, I'm running low, I'm out. This is still like off the shelves. You know how they've like restocked stuff? Like, you can kind of find toilet paper sometimes now. This stuff is just totally, like, it's just gone. So gotta make that last. Gotta skin the sides of the pan, you know what I mean? No wasting food. No, we'll be okay. I've got another pack of like some other brand. It's not as good as that, but it, you know what? Now's not a time to be complaining. And then on the side, I've got these black spicy beans that I'm gonna cook on the side. And for my main course, my protein, as you may say, I'm actually having fish today. I'm having cod. I don't know if you guys can see it in the oven. Let's see, ready? Right there, okay. Other than that, I'm seriously like dirty. Like, been crashing in the grass. I kind of stink, working out and all that, you guys know. So I've got to take a shower and then I'm gonna eat this dinner. Maybe I'll show you the plate. The warmth of a salmon on a cool bed of rice. She didn't even laugh. She didn't even laugh. It's not even salmon. Okay, this is the final product.
I'm trying to be quiet. Second of all, your rice isn't cool. It's hot.
I know. I'm just, thank you. You're just trying to be considerate, I understand. So this is the final product right here. I have a whole bed of basmati rice, that white basmati rice. I don't know if you guys can see it on there. Then on this side I have black beans and a ton of those greens that I cut up and sauteed for about 3 minutes. And then I have cod right here, and I got hot sauce on it. Hot sauce. And that's my dinner. You laugh at that. Don't judge the dinnerware, all right? I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Woo. All right, what's up, guys? So it is actually the next day now. My goodness, do you see this? Can you fathom this right now? Like, the amount of cuts, the amount of different clips, the storyline. That's right, the storyline in this ultimate beginner backflip video is gonna be absolutely insane. Do I have a pit sweat? Am I pit sweating? That's how intense the edit is for this. So stay tuned for this tutorial. Heck, even if you already know how to do a backflip, just watch it for your entertainment purposes. I guarantee you'll find something motivating out of it. This is coming out Wednesday, all right? Wednesday morning, just be waiting. Be waiting, like, comment, subscribe, turn those notifications on. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Hopefully it was entertaining. Hope you guys enjoyed like the little small workout session and the eating. I mean, that's what I did yesterday. So yeah, other than that, tons of editing going on. Bodyweight Beast 2.0 coming out really soon, June 1st. So be ready for that. June 1st, we're launching that. Thank you all so much for all your support, positive feedback, and everything, guys. I really appreciate you all. Peace. You all have a good one. I'll see you all in the next video.